Hey, this is Denise with Luxury Travel Adventures and Travel Experts. I am here in a Neptune Suite number 7111 on Holland America's New Rotterdam, and it is a really nice space. Take a look. Really big couch, a large flat screen TV, king size bed, some treats. Take a look at the bathroom. It's huge. Large shower with a rain shower head, double sinks, lots of storage space. The toiletries are LMS, and this is all closet space. Comfy robes, safe, and what I really love, here's like our little espresso machine. I love the mini bar. It's complimentary in the suites, and it has pre-mixed cocktails. I love this with like premium liquor. So Mai Tai, Cosmopolitan, Margarita, Old Fashioned, Gin and Tonic, and some Prosecco, some wine. There is a full-size desk with storage, and the desk is also cool. Check it out. Voila. It's also a makeup mirror, and you can stash your makeup in there, or I have put my laptop and my tablet in there. Again, king size bed. So that is really comfy. Lots of storage everywhere you see this pale wood. It is storage space. Plenty of plugs, both US and European plugs. And a really nice size deck with chairs that have ottomans, so they could be loungers. And a table that seats 4 people. And this is the view. It is sunset here. We're on our way to the Netherlands Antilles, ABC Islands. So that is the Neptune Suite on Holland America's Rotterdam ship on deck 7. This is Denise Bergson signing off from Holland America's Rotterdam. See you in baggage claim, folks.